If you sail with NCL, you may want to watch this video because there's again a new update with their packages. It is now going to be free at sea plus as an option, which is going to start for booking December 18th. So check this out. Hey guys, welcome back to the Cruisenews. I'm Ashley Neal. I'm a travel agent and also a registered nurse. Today we're going to talk about the actual brand new information about NCL. They are again changing their packages or updating their free at sea package. They're going to actually include an option now. It's going to be called NCL's free at sea plus. So there's going to be a few extras in this. It's going to be a little bit more money, about $10 or $15 more per day per person, but there are some added benefits in this new package. So we are going to talk about that right now. I'm going to look at my notes because there is a few things to get into here. So your regular free at sea is going to give you your beverages, your 150 Wi-Fi minutes, your dining, depending on the length of your sailing, as they've just updated that, and also your excursion credits. So this new package that they've just introduced, which is going to go live for booking on December 18th of this year, 2025, for all sailings going from February 2nd of 2026 onward. So you are actually able to, if you have a travel agent or you book directly with NCL, you're able to call into their call center or contact your travel agent, and you can actually get the price on updating your package to what's going to be the NCL free at sea plus. So what this is going to give you is it is going to give you your high-end beverage package, which is included in the regular one, but it's also going to give you Starbucks, energy drinks, juices, and bottled water, along with, which is new because this is just something that came out, you're going to have unlimited open bar at their private island of Great Stirrup Cay. Because this was an issue they had brought out earlier in the year, that when they opened up their Great Stirrup Cay, they did all the renovations, and when they opened this up, there was going to be a different beverage package. It was not going to be included in their regular free at sea. So this is what they're doing to compensate for that. So if you upgrade to this free at sea plus package, you will in fact get your beverage package to work at their private island. Also with their dining, you're going to get your regular, however many meals you're going to have, whether it's 3 or 2, depending on how long your sailing is. But up and above that, you are going to be able to enjoy more specialty dining if you so choose, and you're going to get a 50% discount on the cover charges. So if you have 3 included in your package and you'd like to go to try a different specialty restaurant on top of that, instead of the actual fee of usually between $50 and $70 per person per meal at a specialty restaurant, you're going to get that half price. So that is something that's interesting if you enjoy specialty dining. Also, Wi-Fi, which I think is really interesting, and I really like this added feature. Instead of getting the 150 minutes of Wi-Fi per person per sailing, you're actually going to get free unlimited streaming with their Starlink, which is what they deem the fastest internet at sea. So this is a big feature, I think, because I like to have my Wi-Fi minutes, and 150 minutes really isn't that much. Also included in this package is going to be your prepaid daily gratuities. So this will be included in your price per day per person for the new free at sea plus package. And it's also going to give you a discount of $15 for your prepaid gratuities, which is really nice. So these are the new updates that have just rolled out for the new free at sea plus package. So let me know down below in the comments if you're interested in this. You think this is a good option? It's kind of like Princess Plus. You get a little bit more included for a little bit more of a price. It's actually showing up as $49.99 per person per day Canadian, so that ends up being around $36 American per person per day. I'm in Canada, so I deal a lot with Canadian prices. So it's not a whole lot more than the regular package. I think there is going to be some benefits to paying a little bit more of a premium price with all these extra inclusions you're going to get. As far as your Starbucks, which is huge. A lot of people love Starbucks. And before this, you would have to actually pay a la carte for Starbucks or get a Starbucks card. So that's actually nice. And also, if you enjoy extra specialty dining, as I said, you get that at a discounted price as well. And the internet, I think, is huge. And bottled water. I've talked about this on my channel before. I really enjoy bottled water on a ship. I know all the water in the ship is filtered through the same filtration system, but I enjoy bottled water. So for me, that's a big one. So let me know down in the comments below if you're going to upgrade on your next sailing, or if you think this is just a pass and you'll continue with the regular free at sea. Let me know, comment below. I'll see you in the next video.